Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for May 16th, 2016. We're going to start off this week a little bit on the chilly side compared to seasonal averages for this time of year. Not quite as cold as it was on Sunday, though. We actually saw some pretty impressive weather across the region where, especially in our interior locations and higher elevations, actually saw some sleet, graupel, maybe even some snowflakes were reported up here out in north central PA. So some very strange weather for May 15th, that's for sure, but we don't have anything like that today. Temperatures are going to moderate a little bit more than what they were yesterday. Yesterday we're stuck in the 50s, in some cases only 40s up here across the northern tier. I think we do rebound quite a bit today. We should get up into the lower to mid 60s across many areas, maybe stuck in the upper 50s here in the far north, but it's better than it was on Sunday. So winds will still be an issue, though. We're still going to have a little bit of a breeze today, but not quite as windy as yesterday either. So we should have winds generally 12 to 20 miles per hour, gusts as high as 30 miles per hour today. That's what we're looking at for today. But it's mostly sunny skies, though. So those mostly sunny skies will help to warm things up today, we think. And it'll be a lot better than it was on Sunday. Now on Tuesday we'll have mostly cloudy skies in place. We should have the clouds should thicken even more so later in the day, and then we're going to have some showers that are going to move in here. Just some light showers, not a big deal, but this is going to go into the overnight, we think. Probably start late afternoon, evening, depending on where you are, and then continue in the overnight hours here. Just some light showers, and then it'll wrap up Wednesday morning here for mainly our southeastern areas. Now, this is the GFS I'm showing here. The European model is a little bit further north of this. It's got a little bit more rain than GFS shows, and it's further north. So, we don't want to just show this and say there's absolutely nothing going on here overnight, but I think you will have some precipitation a little bit further north than what the GFS is showing here. It's very progressive with this system moving in and out, but it does have the early morning showers for areas farther southeast, so we'll just keep an eye on that just in case. But it looks like most of this is out of here by Wednesday morning, and then we have clouds giving way to sun on Wednesday. Still will be a little bit chillier, though, because you're still under the influence of that trough that has not moved out yet, that settled into our area on Sunday. So we still have that trough not quite exiting yet, but it will on Thursday. We start warming up. We have high pressure in control here on Thursday, actually from later Wednesday, straight through Thursday, and again on Friday. It's just going to be sitting over top of the area. Temperatures are going to be increasing back to close to near normal here on Thursday, and we get into Friday, and we go slightly above normal as that high pressure goes a little bit offshore here. Now that's going to keep us dry, and it's also going to keep this system, we think, further south. Now this is an interesting system. This is for the weekend, and we don't want to commit one way or the other what's going to happen on the weekend yet, because if you go by the GFS forecast, you have an area of low pressure down to our south. This is Friday evening, and you have all this precipitation you see here with it, just kind of very scattered and disorganized. GFS is very disorganized with it. It keeps it out, and it just aimlessly goes out to sea like this and keeps us high and dry this weekend. The European model does not, however, actually brings it up pretty far, and you get the entire state of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware under some light to moderate rainfall from later on Saturday, so probably Saturday afternoon through Saturday night into Sunday morning. So it's a big difference in forecast here between the two models. So we want to see how these, which one ventures toward the other over the next couple of days. Right now they are worlds apart. And here's a look at that system here on Saturday. You can see this system down here on the south on the GFS. The European model is a good 400 miles north of where this is as far as the precipitation shield. It goes all the way up to here, whereas the GFS stops and cuts it off right here. You have nothing here but just partly cloudy skies on Saturday on the GFS. So big difference in forecast, and I don't want to ruin anybody's weekend plans by saying we're going to have rain and we have absolutely nothing, or vice versa. So we'll just let it go for now and just show you the possibilities right now going into next weekend. But either way, it does look like it's going to be warmer. We're going to be warmer starting on Thursday, probably back to near normal or pretty close to it, and then we get back to slightly above normal here on Friday, and over the weekend looks like it's going to be staying at least slightly above normal for that period too. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for May 16th, 2016. Have a great Monday.